Hello guys. So I have pepper soup spice here, chili powder, crushed up cubes, salt, scent leaves I'm going to thinly slice, uziza leaf also been thinly slices, and my catfish. Also in here I have crayfish and pepper, habaneros. So you're wondering why I'm using a mix of both. I like my pepper soup to be really hot, so I use both, but I also like the flavor. The flavor this pepper gives to the pepper soup is quite different than when you use the blended pepper. So that's why I use this for my fresh fish pepper soup. So in the pot, I'm gonna add the blended pepper mix of pepper and crayfish. Next, I'll add the pepper soup spice and the grounded chili. So next, our seasoning goes in. We'll save some for later, just in case. Cover the pot and let it cook until it's boiling before we add our scent leaves and uziza leaves. So it's boiling now. I'm going to add my scent leaf and my uziza leaves into it now. Trust me, this is one of the easiest pepper soups ever because it cooks fast. The fish cooks fast. Look. We're almost getting there. Just going to cook for some extra minutes and it's all done. It doesn't take time, really fast. So we're going to cover this back up. Please taste while you're cooking so you know what you're doing. We'll cover this back up. It's ready. Turn on the heat and we can eat. So voila, it's ready. So now we can eat. So we can pair this with rice, yam, plantain, potatoes, Irish potatoes. You can even use starch, anything you want to. So this is the fresh catfish pepper soup with scent leaf and uziza leaves. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you. Please subscribe, like, share, leave comments. Thank you, guys.